Hi, hello. I'm Bear, and just like all good videos, this one starts out with an idea. Basically, I was perusing around the internet looking for some good APIs to tinker with like a mad scientist on holiday and had a great idea. Twitch.tv is a website I frequent often, though it's many flaws, its primary flaw being the ASMR section. So gross. Oh god. It's like she's in my ear. And though I can't stand ASMR with every fiber of my being, I still find my way back to Twitch every day because it makes for great background noise. So what can I do with their API? Is there anything fun? Something that won't take 2 months and something I won't have to learn a different programming language for? Well, yes it was fun, no it definitely took 2 months to do, and that's because I had to learn JavaScript for this. So let's talk about it. Okay, so here's the thing. I was talking to a streamer acquaintance that does a lot of stuff on Twitch and TikTok, primarily using Unity and her VTuber, and I was basically asking her opinion about content creation and how I should structure my videos for all the cringy stuff content creators have to worry about nowadays. And the conversation went like this.
Right now, TikTok is absolutely the best platform for growth. But you can't just go there and post randomly. Certain posts will do a lot better than others if you consider how the TikTok algorithm works.
I don't know. Me old. Me not know TikTok.
Well, for starters, if the first second isn't entertaining enough, people will just scroll past you. So you kind of need to create a hook and explain the other stuff after you've grabbed them.
And then I dance?
If you want to?
Okay, that voice is getting hard to do. Okay, what if I created a website to randomly select live Twitch streamers, created a bingo board, and played bingo with the Twitch streamers? If the streamer completes a bingo, then I give them money.
Well, in that case, you're going to have an awesome piece of footage of people being super excited to get that donation, and that would be your 1-second hook. Then you can worry about explaining the rest of your content after you've grabbed people's attention. I just hope you're not spending like 2 months creating the project and like learning a whole new programming language just for a TikTok?
Yeah, that would be ridiculous. Okay, maybe that last part didn't happen, but yeah, that's pretty much it. All this is happening because I am a boomer and I don't know TikTok. So now, why did it take me 2 months and a new language to complete this project? Well, let me explain it to you like this because it can really be explained in one sentence. Twitch is a live video streaming website, and my normal programming language, C#, has nothing to do with any of those things. That's it. That's the tweet. So I did what any normal person would do in this situation and bought like 5 different courses on Udemy and only watched about a quarter of one before I made the actual project. I spent like a week trying to get C# to work, 5 weeks learning JavaScript, a week slapping together the project, and like a week playing the actual game. So I want no one to tell me that I'm not dedicated to my ideas. Speaking of, here's the idea I had. I can ask Twitch.com who is currently live, and Twitch responds with a list of 100 live streams sorted by most views. This is accurately called the API response or a JSON response. Or in this case, I'll just call this the response. Now, I can filter out everyone that doesn't speak English to get a better curated response to me, but the API doesn't really give many more filtering options other than that. At least I think. I didn't really try all that hard. But this makes this idea kind of lame, right? As it stands, I am playing bingo with streams like Miskiff, XQC, Tarek,
Stay tuned to find out.
and giving these rich motherfuckers my money, which I'm not really okay with. So what I have to do is basically tell Twitch to hit the next page button. This is done with a page code that Twitch puts at the very end of the response it just gave me. I can grab this code, feed it back to Twitch, and have it give me a new response with the next 100 streamers. And the drop-off in views is surprisingly quick. If you like data, put your seatbelt on because we are going Mach 1 into nerd paradise. For English streamers, XQC usually stands at the top with 70k or so viewers. By the time you hit the end of the first response, the viewers are usually around the 1k mark. By the end of the second response, about 200 streamers in, it's about 500 viewers. And it takes 9 responses, or 900 streamers, to reach less than 100 viewers per stream. And about 39 responses, or 3,900 streamers, to reach less than 10 viewers per stream, which is my target for this project. And when I originally pulled this data at about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I was able to do about 287 responses before it stopped returning more streamers. Meaning at about 10 a.m. in the morning, there are about 28,700 live English Twitch streams, of which about 25,000 of them have less than 10 viewers. And just for fun, it took 138 responses, or about 13,800 streamers, to reach 1 viewer streams, which is the same as having no viewers because most streamers have their own stream open on their stream manager, which basically means they have no viewers. Kinda cool, right? Maybe not, but this means I can compile all 28,700 streams into a list and randomly select a stream out of all of them to display on my screen. And this part was surprisingly easy because Twitch already provides code for this through the embedded HTML share section, which we could just grab from any Twitch stream. So we just boom, bap, bow, and now we have a website that has a Twitch stream on it. We could just take this little section of code where it has the username and switch it to a random one that we have compiled in our list, and with a click of a button, we get a random Twitch streamer. And pow, and now we have a working bingo board. In all reality, it took a few days for me to get all this working in several lines of code. Please, this wasn't easy for me. I had to do a lot of studying and practicing to make this work. Please, for the love of God, like the video so it makes this kind of worth it. So yeah, I created a bingo board that is fully customizable, but that's kind of lame and time consuming, so I saved a bunch of default bingo squares in an array. These default values are things like, their VTuber has booby physics, the infamous BRB screen, or even better, chair cam. I loaded about 100 of these winners into an array, and I can randomly create a bingo board on the fly with a click of a button. So yeah, all that's left is to just play the game. So here's the rules. It's bingo. You know how bingo works. If the streamer does what's on the square, I mark the square as done. If the streamer completes a bingo 5 in a row, vertical, horizontal, or diagonally, I give the streamer money. Which is not a hard set rule, I kinda just gave money when I felt like it. But this is why the 10 viewer mark is important, because they have to be an affiliate to accept donations through Twitch. So with that out of the way, let's play.
And if somebody hurts you, I wanna.
Ooh, that last stream was way too loud. Oh.
No.
Dies in game.
Run it back.
There it is. There's the booby physics. Yep, that's booby physics if I've ever seen it. VTuber model has booby physics. Yep, there it is. Okay, get me the hell out of here. This is a good song. Oh, it's a 21 Pilot song, that's why. Aha! He played it. Okay. I think this is it. This is epilepsy warning. Yep, I'm going. This guy gets my money. I am going to give him money. Let's see if he has a mic.
Big Giant Love, the Bear Decoder for the follow. Welcome to the stream.
He's got a mic. Let's give him money. There it is. You are... DJ Bruce is the lucky winner.
Oh wow, I didn't even get a chance to dropping biddies. Man, I appreciate
Was
your
that
love
mine
and
or his?
support. Hugs and nugs, it's so good to meet you.
Bruce, thank you for the follow. Love that. Appreciate that, man. That's very nice of you. I was playing Twitch Bingo. You're the lucky winner. I appreciate it. I did not expect follows out of that. That's very nice.
You're not even elbow.
Changed the image from Wolf Typical.
That's amazing. Thank you very much. It's very kind. That's
Bear the coder, yes, I am shirtless.
that's fine.
Wonderful.
Okay.
He's gonna be so confused.
Now, I never said that. Oh my god, thank you, Barely. Oh god.
My Twitch,
Oh,
Twitch is 7 _
Yo.
7.
I appreciate it.
Fair.
I
Majdi
do.
isn't gonna cry, but he's
Appreciate it. I'll start twerking for you. You know, with all these luscious, with all this luscious man meat I got on my body.
I'm playing Twitch Bingo with the website I wrote in program. I have another 100 bits if you could break your VTuber model. Hello. Help.
And yeah, that's it. And how did the TikTok go? It went okay. Big thank you to Phwee for letting me use her likeness and providing voice lines. I'll leave all of her links in the description. If you like programming in Unity, she usually does a lot of that stuff on her Twitch streams, so come hang out. A couple of announcements. In the past few months, I started a TikTok, a Discord channel, and started streaming some stuff on Twitch. I have put close to no work on all three of those things, but hey, it'll come along slowly. As always, a link to my code and all resources used are in the description below. Like, comment, and subscribe if you wanna. It helps out a ton by feeding my ego, and if you do, I promise to send you feet pics in the Discord. Okay, bye.